concern, at least in a few spots, and that's the possibility of thick fog. We're not seeing a whole lot of it around Metro Atlanta, but this is the view from Blairsville, where you can tell the visibility in that particular location is at least reduced a little bit. We'll just keep an eye on this through the next couple of hours as we watch it over the North Georgia mountains coming down toward Rome, near zero visibility. Same developing in Troup County near LaGrange, and a lot of spots in between where it's going to be just fine. Once we get through this little minor hiccup here this morning, these temperatures are going to take off. But it's not a coincidence that the fog is tending to match up with some of our coolest temperatures. We're down to 50 in Blairsville, 53 in Canton, Rome, and Carrollton at 54. Meanwhile, a couple 60s out there. That includes Noonan, Eatonton, and of course 63-degree temperature there in Atlanta. So take a look at the big picture. High pressure is going to take over for a couple of days. This is going to keep rain away. Meanwhile, rain and storms have fired up again in the central and southern plains, and while the severe weather threat is slowly winding down, they've had so many days of it scattered across several states, and there will be more severe weather that develops in the middle part of the country even later today. Here at home, though, this is what we're looking at. A nice sunny sky for late this afternoon. Any clouds that might pop up are just going to be the fair weather variety, nothing that has any potential to bring us rainfall. And tomorrow, still high pressure centered close enough to us to buy us a mostly sunny sky and keeping the more significant cloud cover kind of suppressed down to our south and west. I do want to show you, though, the system approaching by early Friday. Now, it's a pretty good bet most of us will be dry for Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon, it's like we're flipping a switch here and getting to a daily rainfall chance. Out of our chances for rain, Saturday looks like it's going to be the messiest. You're going to have to make your weekend plans accordingly. But for today, we get into the mid to upper 80s. The record, though, is 90, which should be safe, but you're going to see tomorrow some spots get closer to 90. We'll start out tomorrow morning back in the 50s and a few low 60s, but by tomorrow afternoon, places like Athens or Eatonton could get all the way up to 89. Thankfully, the humidity is not a factor just yet. It will become one. You're going to start feeling that, especially as we bring these rainfall chances back. Again, highest on Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday, these are going to feel like summertime days where the morning is dry and the storms that we do get really just pop up in that afternoon heat. Ron and